How to stop Temu notifications. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to stop Temu notifications. So first thing first, just head over to your Temu application and make sure you're currently logged into your account. Now just head over to your me section or you section from the bottom right corner, and once you're inside here, just tap on this settings gear icon at the top right corner, and once you tap on that, you should see the notifications option. So as you can see, currently I have enabled all of the notifications. So from this option here, you can basically choose any one of these notifications, and you can manually click on this disable option to disable the notifications for the particular options. But if you want to disable all of the notifications from the app itself, so in that case what you might want to do is just long press on that particular application just like this after coming to your home screen and click on I button. So once you click on I button, here you should see notifications allowed. So as you can see, currently I have enabled all of the notifications. So if you want to disable all of those, you can just disable this like this by simply turning off the slider. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.